Samsung announced its next-gen memory and storage, and while the new tech looks impressive, it's depressing knowing that most of it will be gobbled up by AI data centers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Samsung unveiled the first concept models for zHBM, based on HBM memory used primarily in data centers, AI accelerators, and a small number of high-end GPUs. zHBM is a new memory architecture that vertically stacks HBM directly above AI accelerators rather than alongside them as before, helping boost performance up to 8 times. It also uses next-generation wafer bonding tech, allowing over 10 times the memory density of current HBM5 tech while increasing energy efficiency 3 times. Samsung also unveiled a new type of V-NAND memory used in SSDs, memory cards, and other types of storage. It's called V10 BV-NAND and uses the company's new bonding V-NAND architecture to stack more than 400 layers of memory cells. This increases memory density by around 58% over the previous V9 generation, while boosting read, write, and I/O performance. The company also introduced zNAND-O, a next-gen V-NAND solution combining high-space efficiency, improved I/O performance, and low latency aimed at edge AI environments. Finally, Samsung showcased LPDDR5X PIM, the industry's first LPDDR memory with processing in memory technology, built to perform data processing within the memory itself to improve efficiency. Alongside SK Hynix, Samsung is one of 2 companies who control the majority of memory production, and both companies are failing to keep up with demand for memory created by the current AI needs. That in turn is leading to insane prices for electronics of all kinds, ranging from gaming consoles to smartphones to laptops. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.